e croeso to stretching and relaxation with me, Arabi Crystal. Good morning and welcome to stretching and relaxation with me. My name is Crystal. Dwi'n trio siarad Cymraeg. I'm trying to speak Welsh. Let's get started. All right, we're going to do a head rolls. Really simple. And really gently. So the purpose of this video for stretching and relaxation is just that. Even the stretching should feel relaxing. So make sure you're not pushing yourself. This is great for early mornings. Maybe you haven't done much but just eat breakfast. And we'll go the other way. You can take your upper back into it a bit as well. Loosen that up. And really enjoy it. I'm not really counting, so that feels like the same. And we'll do some shoulders. Not really pedantic, then you can make sure you count and do the exact same going each way. I think that was 3 back. Let's do 8 back. And just really loosen up. And actually, it's a great way to start your day. Just loosening up your joints, your muscles, and get started. Another way, and especially if you're living in a house of flatmates, a lot of people, or you have children, you kind of need that time to kind of center yourself so you can deal with the day ahead. Okay, let's stretch out the arms. If this is difficult for your legs, you can just put them up in front of you. At the best time, you know, it is great to have this much time with people that you live with. Maybe you don't know your flatmates and so you're getting to know them, or you know, you don't have a lot of time for your children because you work or they're in school. But it is so important that we still take out time for ourselves. Nice. And other side. And again, everything should feel really gentle. You can do your head a bit side to side with that. And above the head. Good. And I'm just going to lean a little bit so I can feel it a bit there. But if this is quite a lot for you, depending on, you know, your body and your experience in stretching. All right. I think you've seen me do this before. I'm going to bend one leg, keep the other leg straight in front of me. I'm just going to flex it. I'm just going to go where I can feel a little bit of a stretch, but nothing much at all. And again, we'll never hold any of these for longer than 30 seconds. So this is a nice gentle stretch. Then we'll hold this one for maybe 10 seconds, and that's enough. And let's just do some ankle circles. I can feel it in my calf. And ankle circles the other way. Very nice. Okay, let's take that leg and put it over the other leg and stretch out. Again, just a little bit. Maybe it's just about sitting up straight. If this is too much on your knee, which it could be, you can just straighten that and put it up there. And this is just as nice. You're getting a different stretch. Protect your knees. Very important parts. Okay, and then we're all going to go up here. And again, you can straighten this leg if you need. Just turn to the side and get your back a bit. Okay, other leg. Stretch out in front and go forward. I know for me it's hard to find the motivation some days to do a bit of stretching, but I know the days that I do stretching, it makes such a big difference to my mental health, my outlook on the day, how I feel physically. Makes a big difference. So if you can use this video on Saturday when it's posted, but any other day you want to come back to it. I know Alex did a really great stretching and relaxation last week, and he had some music by Ben Sound. But yeah, we're going to go with my talking. Nice. All right. And then we'll lift that up. Do the same thing. The same options for alterations if you need it. Very nice. And then stand it up, turn, and get the back. All right. Now we're going to lay down. I'll lay this way. We're going to bend up the leg and just circle that with your hand. So make sure the leg isn't doing any work. Just kind of circle it to loosen the hips. If you slept really difficult, if you had a difficult sleep last night. I don't know if you can hear my baby singing upstairs right now. Good, and stretch it up. Now again, don't go too far. Keep the hips on the ground, just straight above is fine. And again, loosen up that ankle a bit. Very nice. Bend it in again and take it to the side. And again, you can just feel that. Just to loosen up. Nice and subtle. And if you want, you can stretch that out. No need to. And again, take it lower than usual and just really keep it loose. Bend it just a little bit and let's take it over. Oh, need more space. Okay, this is better. And now turn the other way against it and you should feel that in your back. Now, depending on what your back is like, you'll feel it in different bits. Nice. And at the very least, it's just kind of a loosening. So even if it doesn't feel like a stretch, that's fine too. Bend it back in. Bring two legs together and switch. Okay, do some circles. Nice. Sorry, you can keep your head down. And then other side. Really let the arms do the work. Really loosen up in the hips. Now we straighten it up. And again, just some foot circles, ankle circles. Squinch up the toes, do what you need to really loosen up. Now bend it in and take it to the side. And again, like a hinge, kind of up and down, just to loosen up those hips. Yeah? Nice. And then stretch it if you want. And again, any height, maybe a little bit lower than usual. We'll try to keep both hips on the floor, yeah? Really loosen up. Bend it in and take it to the other side. I'll keep looking this way, but you turn your head away from that leg. To be fair, I feel a stretch right here, so if you have a back like mine, then just go for it. Very nice. And bring both legs in and come up. All right, very nice. We're going to do some more stretching for the back. So let's turn this way. Stretch out the arms into child's pose. And hold it. Now, if this feels like quite a lot, then you come up on your knees a bit like that and do the same pose like this. So your choice what you do. I find this one more comfortable. Really stretch out the back and then take the one arm, put it underneath the other. Nice. And put it back. And again, the other arm underneath. Good. Now come to this position, tuck your toes under, and we'll go up to downward dog. Now, depending on, sorry, come down here. Depending on the strength, the flexibility in the backs of your legs, then just walk it out. You want to get a really straight back. So for me, backs of my legs are quite tight, especially today after class yesterday. So I'm going to really paddle out my demi-point and I'll show you what that looks like. Yeah? So I get as straight as I can with my heels up, and then I switch feet, putting the heels down. Yeah? That way, if you can't get both heels down at the same time, or you just want to go a bit easier, or get some movement into your feet, your metatarsals, then it's quite nice. Good. And then down. Very nice. Let's do that one more time. Again, paddling through the feet. Ready? So we go here, tuck the toes under, right up, with demi-point if you need, or get your feet down if you can, flat back, and let's pedal through the feet. All right. Very nice. Okay, I hope that feels really good for you. We'll do just one more stretch, or just a few more stretches, and then we'll be finished. So let's take the legs out to the side. Not very far at all. Mine are kind of like a pizza slice. Not very far, just for loosening up. And let's just shake them side to side, kind of with your hands on their own. Very nice. And now, let's just stretch over one of them. with both shoulders facing forward. Very nice. Look toward the leg and come up. That's it. Other side. Both shoulders facing forward and toward the leg and come up. Nice and simple. Let's go down to the front. And you want to get your belly button there, so don't hunch over to get your head there. Try to keep your back straight. Over and come up. Very nice. And let's do 2 legs here. Good. And come up. Okay, lay on your back. We do a nice relaxation. Keep your knees bent up. Close your eyes. And take 3 deep breaths. Very nice. Now what we're going to do is just rock the legs side to side, just a little bit, keeping the hips on the ground at first. Yeah, and keep your eyes closed, really relax the rest of your body. This is a little bit of work for the stomach. It feels like it's tiring, then just do less with the legs, just tiny little rocks. It doesn't feel like too much. Yeah, very nice. Keep rocking them. Very nice. Now we're going to take our right leg, just have a look if you need, and put it over your left and lift the left to your stomach. Now you can use your hands if you want. I just feel that right there. Nice gentle stretch. And if you want a bit more of a stretch, you can straighten that leg. I can feel that, just the top of my hamstring. Now all our bodies are different. Even if they look similar, they're all different. So you may feel that in a different place. And that's okay. As long as it's not painful. The second it's painful, stop, yeah? Other leg. Bring that towards yourself. That's nice. And if you want more of a stretch, you can straighten that leg and bring it towards you. Either with your hands, or just hold it there, whichever feels more comfortable. And again, it should actually feel nice, the stretch. It should feel like it's loosening things and relaxing things inside you. If it feels painful, you can stop. All right, both legs down. And we're going to do just come up on your elbows, and just to release the hips, just turn out, down, turn in, turn out, down, turn in, turn out, down, turn in, turn out, take it down, turn in, and reverse, turn in, turn out, and up, turn in, turn out, and up, turn in, turn out, and up, turn in, turn out, and up. Okay, let's lay down, and one more time, let's do our rocks, just 8 rocks, really gently, loosen up the lower back a bit, releasing the mind, relax the breath, and let your chest and your bones hang really heavy into the floor. And try to not be distracted by any sounds you hear around you. Maybe enjoy them. Kind of listen and know that you don't have to be a part of that right now. You get to just do some stretching. All right, and 3 long breaths. Okay, very good work. Again, you can do that at any point, either at the beginning of the day, at the end of the day, and just enjoy loosening up your body. And it really will improve not just your physical health, but your mental health, and make you feel a bit better just to get your body mobile. Yeah? I hope that's good for you, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.